How to delete just market account. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your just markets account in easy steps. So first of all, you need to come to the justmarkets.com official website and log into your account. And after logging in, you have to just go to your settings option, and then you can see a live chat option there, and you can just tell on the live chat option that you want to delete your account, and they will want to know why you want to delete your account. So you can give your explanation why you want to delete, and then they will delete the account. So another way is that you can just go to the just market support web page like this, that justmarkets.com/support/contact information. And after coming here, you can just click on the support at justmarkets.com, or you can also click on any of the messengers like live chat, telegram, instagram, viber, imessage, messenger, whatsapp. So if you click on live chat, it will redirect you to this page, and after that you can click on chat now, and you can ask them to delete your account and give the explanation why you want to delete your just markets accounts, and they will delete the account if your reason is live up to them. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.